Hello, Algebra 1. Tonight's homework is page 502, numbers 1 through 15. This is your introduction to square roots and your guided practice that's involved in there. There's a couple of vocabulary words that they're asking for at the very beginning. They're talking about how -2 squared equals 4, and they're saying -2 is a blank of 4. Remember, something times something equals another number. Those things are factors. Number 3 says identify the radicand in the equation root 4 equals 2. Root 4 equals 2. The number inside the square root symbol is called the radicand. So the radicand in this point is 4. Okay. Looking down at the bottom section of this area, it asks you to evaluate each of these expressions, and then it says determine whether each expression is rational or irrational. Let's take a look at problem number 8. They're talking about root 25. The square root of 25 is plus 5. It's also negative 5. Because positive 5 times positive 5 is 25. And then negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So both of those answers work. And the fact that we have a whole number answer and it doesn't go on forever and ever and ever means it can be written as a fraction, and we call that rational. It is rational if it stops, if there's a whole number answer. If it doesn't have a whole number answer, such as we did in class, we ended up with the square root of 200, and we said that's the same thing as 10 root 2 with a plus or minus. This part right here, you put that into a calculator, it'll be a really long decimal. It does not end, and we call that an irrational, meaning it's not a rational number and it cannot be written as a fraction. Hopefully these items help you out in this introduction to square roots. Tomorrow we'll get back into the scheme of solving quadratics using this square root method.